Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello, gardeners. In this video, I will explain how to prune black lace elderberry. This beautiful shrub, known for its dark, lacy foliage and pink flowers, truly benefits from regular care. Proper pruning is key to maintaining its stunning appearance and ensuring a healthy, vigorous plant. We'll cover everything you need to know to keep your elderberry thriving, making the process easy and enjoyable for you. Let's get started. Timing is crucial for successful pruning. The best time to prune your black lace elderberry is in late winter or early spring, just before new growth begins to emerge. This period, when the plant is dormant, minimizes stress and allows the plant to direct its energy into producing vigorous new shoots and beautiful foliage once spring arrives. Avoid pruning in late summer or fall, as this can stimulate tender new growth that may be damaged by frost. Now, let's get to the actual pruning. First, always remove any dead, damaged, or diseased branches, cutting them back to healthy wood. Next, focus on rejuvenation by cutting back up to 1/3 of the oldest, thickest stems right down to the ground. This encourages fresh, new growth from the base. Also, thin out any crossing branches to improve air circulation. Always make clean cuts just above an outward-facing bud or a side branch. After pruning, a little care goes a long way. Always sanitize your pruning tools before and after use to prevent disease spread. Give your elderberry a good, thorough watering to help it recover and settle in. In early spring, consider applying a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to support its vigorous new growth. With these simple steps, your black lace elderberry will reward you with stunning, dark foliage and beautiful pink flowers all season long. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.